Business is hard. Business is fucking hard. And if you want to win at this game, you need to prioritize. You need to show up every day and prioritize. What is the most important thing on the bulletin today? Because it might change tomorrow, but you always need to come back to these two things are the most important whenever you are lost and you don't know what to do and you don't know how to solve your problems. It's sales and marketing. Those are the two things that you always have to be doing no matter what, as the CEO, as the owner. And if you suck at it, then you need to find somebody that you can partner with that really understands sales, that really understands marketing. Because I'm telling you guys, without that, your business will die. And here's the other thing. If you said, hey, John, well, I want to start doing bigger projects, or not only do I want to start doing bigger projects, but I just want to pay the bills next month. I want to be able to hire somebody and pay that guy. Like, all I want to do is, I don't even want to grow right now. I just want to be able to afford 2 people that I could put in the field, if you're in the service business, right? And pay their salaries without me being there. Because right now you are out there in the field covering everything for that person. And so I completely understand what that's like, going out there in the field, having to cover for them, and being part of the salary. I understand, you're working out there because you can't afford the $2,000 to hire another person to take over your responsibilities. And so how do you do that? How do you get out of the field and you start focusing on just the sales and the marketing, the shit that matters? Because I'm telling you, boys, I'm telling you, girls, you're gonna have some problems, man. You're gonna have some lost contracts. You're gonna have some issues. I've dealt with it several times. Anything that you're playing big at is what's worthwhile is going to result in some sort of failure. And so I just hope that you continue to show up. You continue to do what is necessary in order to make sure that your business is able to succeed. And the only way you're gonna be able to succeed is if you prioritize, first and foremost, sales and marketing. Prioritize the sales and marketing. And every once in a while, put that labor hat on so you can go out there in the field and fix your problems. Guys, you need to get resourceful. I started this business with $500 in my pocket, okay? And how do you grow? I did it with no loans. I did it with no credit cards. I did it with no handouts, guys. You can do this. I know you can do this, but you have to be resourceful and you have to prioritize. Stop coming up with excuses on other things that you need to do in your business other than what matters, and that's the sales. If you don't have the money to hire somebody for the next job, get some sales. If you don't have the resources or the tools or the insurance that you need, go get more projects. Do it, collect the money, take the money from somebody else and use it towards your business, okay? I hope this message finds you well. I hope it brings you some value, and I'm gonna get out of here. So it's getting too dark. All right, peace.